Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix WerFault.exe application error in Windows 11, 10. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Type netstop WERSVC. Type scconfig WERSVC start equal to demand.
I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.